Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Orange color, pink color, dark blue color, yellow color, black color, brown color and light blue color. Let's start. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A. A for apple. A for apple. Apple. B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. C. C for cap. C for cap. D. D for dog. D for dog. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. E. E for egg. E for egg. E. E for ear. E for ear. F. F for frog. F for frog. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. G for goat. G. G for girl. G for girl. H. H for hen. H for hen. H. H for house. H for house. I. I for eyes. I for eyes. I for inkpot. I for inkpot. J. J for joker. J for joker. J. J for jug. J for jug. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.